Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds 2 Level 60. This level can seem tricky, but with the right approach, it's quite manageable. Your first move is crucial. Launch Red, your initial bird, towards the top left. The goal here is to clear out some of the initial debris and start weakening the main structure. A good first shot sets the stage for the rest of your strategy. Choosing the right bird at the right time is key. Chuck, with his speed boost, is perfect for slicing through wooden planks and towers. Matilda can drop an egg bomb, which is incredibly useful for hitting pigs hidden beneath structures or clearing out stubborn sections. And don't forget the blues. They split into 3, making them ideal for demolishing ice formations with precision and power. To truly master this level, you need to identify and target the structural weaknesses. Often, this means aiming for the base of a tower or a critical support beam. Keep an eye out for those explosive TNT barrels. A well-placed hit can clear a huge section of the level. Creating chain reactions by collapsing one part into another is a highly effective strategy. Finally, practice makes perfect. Don't be discouraged if you don't get it on your first try. Experimentation is part of the fun. Try different angles and power levels for your shots. If your first few birds don't achieve the desired impact, consider restarting the level to refine your strategy. Observing how structures react will greatly improve your future attempts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.